Hey there, kids, are you ready for an adventure like no other? Today, we're going to explore some of the most awesome, kid-friendly spots in Jamaica. So pack your bags, put on your adventure hats, and let's get started. Jamaica is not just about beautiful beaches and reggae music. It's also a paradise for kids looking for fun and excitement. From thrilling parks to educational museums, there's something for everyone. So grab your sunscreen, your sense of adventure, and let's dive into the fun. Our first stop is the amazing Hope Zoo in Kingston. This place is a haven for animal lovers. Here, you'll get to see majestic lions, striking zebras, and even the rare Jamaican iguana. How cool is that? It's like stepping into a real-life jungle book. And don't forget to check out the petting area where you can feed and interact with friendly animals. Imagine petting a goat or feeding a bunny. Next, let's splash into some fun at Cool Runnings Adventure Park in Negril. This place is a water wonderland, packed with thrilling water slides, relaxing lazy rivers, and a splash pad just for kids. It's the perfect spot to cool off and have a blast. And if you're feeling competitive, make sure to try the amazing go-kart track for some speedy fun. Who will be the fastest racer? For those who love indoor fun, head on over to Jam Zone Bowling Alley in Montego Bay. It's a perfect spot to challenge your friends with some exciting bowling matches. Strike or spare, it's all about having fun and cheering each other on. And guess what? They have a cool arcade with tons of games too. From racing games to claw machines, there's endless entertainment. Ready for some learning and fun? Let's head to the National Museum Jamaica in Kingston. This museum has fantastic exhibits just for kids. It's a place where history comes alive. Discover the rich history and culture of Jamaica through interactive displays and fun activities. It's like a time machine that takes you back to the past. Now let's play at Emancipation Park. This beautiful park in Kingston is a perfect spot for some outdoor fun. With a fantastic playground where you can climb, swing, and slide all day long, it's a kid's paradise. Plus, there's a big open space for picnics and games. Bring a ball, a frisbee, or just enjoy a relaxing picnic with your family. Hungry yet? Let's grab a bite at Juicy Patties. These delicious Jamaican patties are perfect for refueling after all that fun. Choose from beef, chicken, or veggie patties. There's something for everyone. But wait, there's more. And don't forget to try the different flavors and fillings. Each bite is a taste of Jamaica. For the thrill seekers, Mystic Mountain in Ocho Rios is a must-visit. It's an adventure park like no other. Ride the Sky Explorer chairlift to the top and enjoy breathtaking views of the lush rainforest and the sparkling Caribbean Sea. Then, zoom down the bobsled track for an unforgettable experience. It's like being in a real-life roller coaster. And if you love the ocean, make sure to stop by Dolphin Cove. It's a marine adventure you won't want to miss. Swim with friendly dolphins, meet stingrays, and even hold a shark. It's an experience that will make you feel like a marine biologist. It's an unforgettable adventure you'll cherish forever. The memories you make here will last a lifetime. So, there you have it. Jamaica is packed with fun activities and places just for kids like you. From thrilling adventures to educational experiences, there's something for everyone. Remember to stay close to your adults and follow all the safety signs. Ready to explore Jamaica? Let's go! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome adventures. Bye, kids! See you next time!